So-called doomsday mom and murderer Lori Vallow appeared in court virtually today. This is for her restitution hearing regarding one of her 2 murder conspiracy convictions. She is currently in an Idaho prison serving life sentences for killing her 2 children, Vallow and Tylee Ryan, as well as conspiring in the death of her husband's first wife. Earlier this year in Arizona, she represented herself as her own attorney and was found guilty of plotting the fatal shooting of her 4th husband, Charles Vallow. She was also found guilty in the attempted murder of her ex-nephew-in-law, Boudreaux. Today, a judge ordered her to pay nearly $12,000 in restitution to Charles's sister and more than $500,000 in legal fines and fees. After agreeing to all that, she smirked and snapped at the judge.
Any drugs, alcohol, or medication in the last 24 hours that would affect your ability to make this decision?
Have I been on any drugs, Your Honor? Is that what you're asking?
No, I'm asking, have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication that would affect your ability to understand or make this decision today?
Is Your Honor aware that I am in prison? I have no access to any of those things, so no, the answer is no, I have not.
Thank you for answering the question.
The state is waiting on restitution requests from the other victim, Boudreaux.
This got weird. Maricopa County Animal Care and Control in Phoenix was forced to shut down today after someone broke in.
Deputies found a man and arrested him after he fell through the ceiling. Fox 10's Kenzie Beach joins us live with more details. Kenzie.
Yeah, Christina, John, a crazy situation here at Animal Care and Control. Now, employees, volunteers, they get here around 5 o'clock in the morning. Now, this morning, that's when they realized the director's office, which is on the far back side of this building, had been broken into. Originally, they thought it was vandalism when things escalated. The Maricopa County Animal Care and Control Center has received threats in the past. Friday morning, the window leading into the director's office was found shattered, the suspect using a rock to break in. Employees found blood on door handles and a trail throughout the center. That's when they called the sheriff's office. As deputies worked the break-in, a man fell through the ceiling and was immediately taken into custody. The shelter, holding an adoption event today, had to close.
You know, it's unfortunate that, everything is paused because, you look at all these people trying to adopt or, bring in a dog. So we had no clue until, until just right now. It's mind blowing.
It definitely shakes us quite a bit. We have seen a lot of controversial comments on social media, especially lately. And even when we posted that we were closed today due to a police situation, we were reading comments saying that we deserved it. So it's something that really concerns us, especially on our leadership team.
And this isn't the first time the shelter has received threats. Last month, a woman was arrested after she reportedly threatened to tie up and set fire to employees at the Animal Care and Control Center. Now, the individual who broke in here has not been identified, but he told sheriff's deputies that he was looking for shelter. Well, thankfully, the Animal Care and Control Center has opened back up in the last hour and a half. So before they close tonight, the adoption event that was scheduled can continue. Reporting live, Kenzie Beach, Fox 10 News.